Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the Jaguar XJ key battery. First thing, you locate the arrow, arrow on the side to push the cap down, like that, you push it down that way, This is the emergency key, Use the emergency key. You see the you turn around, you see the slope there, slope there. Insert the key there, twist it, you twist it, it open, and here's CR2032 battery. Push the battery out, use the screwdriver, push it out like that, push it out. CR2032 battery, A new battery, replace it, the plus sign is facing up, slide it in like that, slide it in like that, line the cover up, the cover up, line up like that, line up like that, gently press it down, insert the mechanical key, go in like that, in here, make sure the end is lined up, line up to here, line up to here, so otherwise the cap won't go in. Just line up, you see, like this, then put the cap on, so the arrow is at the bottom, arrow is at the bottom here, go in like that, go in like that, you see, you push it down, you push it down like that. It's all done, this is Jaguar XJ, The battery is CR2032 battery. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.